This 2023 Grand Design Imagine 2670MK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 6, Skylight, external shower, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, spare tire kit, TV, microwave, leveling jacks, stovetop burner, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bath, front bedroom, front entertainment, front living area, kitchen island, outdoor kitchen, rear dinette, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Imagine 2670MK is 6,845 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.